The gimbal mainly consists of integrated battery grip, 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen, NATO port, USB-C port, pan arm and pan motor, roll arm and roll motor, lower quick release plate, upper quick release plate, tilt arm and tilt motor, horizontal arm, vertical arm, RSS camera control port, power button. Press and hold to power on or off the gimbal. Press once, twice, enter sleep mode. Press once, twice, again to wake the gimbal. Camera control button. Press halfway, autofocus, short press, start or stop recording. Press and hold, take a photo. M button. Press the M button once to switch between M1, M2, and M3 user profiles. Press and hold the M button to enter sport mode. Press and hold the M button while pressing the trigger twice to lock sport mode. Repeat to exit sport mode. Joystick. In default mode, push the joystick up or down to tilt the gimbal. Push the joystick left or right to pan the gimbal. Trigger. Press and hold to enter lock mode. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to enter selfie mode. Front dial. Rotate to control focus, zoom by default. You can change the settings via the touchscreen.